this is how you're going to add a cookie banner in Hostinger Website Builder. First, you're going to open the website builder editor, which is builder.hostinger.com. And then from this page, we're going to head over to settings or integrations. For my dashboard or from my Hostinger account, I can view it from settings, but you can try to find it based on the layout of your Hostinger. So let's get into it. I'm going to head over to this left side panel first, and I'm going to hit on more. Now from the more, I'm going to click on general settings from the menu that appears, and then from there we're going to be able to see this cookie banner option. We're going to click on this drop down arrow, and then we're going to update this by clicking on enable cookie banner. Now once we have toggled this on, we will be able to see our cookie banner. Now I'm going to click on save changes, and then you can also just you can do or restore a default message right here, or you can just also change this according to how you want it to show. And that's it. That is how you can add a cookie banner in Hostinger Website Builder. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.